Hi everyone, welcome back. This course is divided into chapters. The first chapter is ready for you to go through. Let me show you what are you going to learn in the first chapter. So first, we will start with some basic pronouns and some basic grammar rules. Then we will learn some professions, countries and nationalities, drinks, cold drinks, hot drinks, the time in Arabic using PM or AM, and we will learn numbers from 1 until 99. And finally, we will use all of these informations to know how to ask and answer 10 basic questions in Arabic. So the goal is to get you to how to ask and answer these 10 questions right here. So now let me show you the 10 questions that are you going to learn in this first chapter. So the first question, what's your name? Second, how are you? The third, where are you from? What are you drinking? When do you sleep? Why do you study Arabic? How old are you? Who are you? Which food do you prefer? Do you speak Arabic? So this is the 10 questions that are you gonna learn and master in this first chapter. So for example here, where are you from? Before we learn this question, we need to know countries. So there will be a lesson before this about the countries. And here, what are you drinking? You need to know some drinks in Arabic. So there will be a lesson about the drinks. And here, when do you sleep? So we need to know the time. So there will be a lesson about the time before. And here, for example, how old are you? We need numbers. So there will be a lesson for numbers before. And here, who are you? So for example, you need professions. It will be a lesson about the professions right here. So I will let you discover more about the course in the next coming videos.